Bluey raced across the hills fast. Bingo tumbled behind, laughing loud. Suddenly the earth shook hard. Muffin shouted, "What's happening? Could the ground split?" Bandit grabbed a branch strong. Chilli held Socks close tight. Rusty pointed to a glowing crater deep. Indy whispered, "It looks dangerous. Could something rise?" From the crater erupted smoke thick. A giant lava golem stepped out huge. Its eyes glowed orange like molten rock hot. Bluey gasped, brave and amazed. Could they survive? The golem stomped, shaking the hills strong. Bingo clutched her balloon high. Muffin squealed behind Chilli. Could courage stop this monster? Bandit raised his branch ready. Rusty grabbed a rock to throw fierce. Indy shouted, "Stay together." Could teamwork win? Bluey spotted glowing cracks on the golem's chest bright. She yelled, "Hit there now." Bingo hurled a crystal rock fast. Could it weaken him? The golem roared, blazing fire sparks. The lava flowed across the ground wild. Socks barked, running circles. Could they dodge it? Bluey leapt onto a rock, shouting, "Aim at the cracks." The golem froze, confused. Rusty swung the torch, blazing. Could light be magic? Slowly the golem's body cracked more. Sparks flew into the sky bright. Chilli shouted, "Keep going now." Muffin tossed more rocks. Could they finish it? Finally the golem crumbled to molten dust. Smoke cleared, revealing a glowing crystal left behind. Bluey picked it up, careful, proud. Could it hold power? A hidden doorway appeared behind the crater, glowing. Bandit whispered, "This is only the start." Bluey's eyes shone with courage, bold. Could the next adventure be wilder? The family held hands, stepping through the doorway together. The world twisted into a new realm, magical. Bingo laughed, amazed. Could endless adventures wait? And if your heart raced with them, smash like, hit subscribe, and follow Bluey into the next volcanic journey waiting for you.